I'm going to show you how you can use paint crayons in an acrylic painting without smearing. Here I used a Conte Paris sketching crayon, black and white. And here I used a Caran NeoColor II water-soluble painting crayon. My painting was at a stage where it was very drippy looking, so I wanted to contrast that with dry media. The problem is paint crayons may smear or even turn into watercolor if you try to brush paint or medium over them. And there's nothing wrong with that. I use that quality too. But I wanted the powerful look of dry contrasting with wet. My solution is what I call the one-brushstroke medium technique. Once I've got lines on the canvas, I use Liquitex Professional Acrylic Gloss Medium, diluted very slightly so it's not too plasticky or textural. And I take one brush stroke of medium and go over the Conte crayon line just once. Then I dab the brush on a wet paper towel and can smooth out the line, removing any smearing. It works the same way for the NeoColor II. Big smear, but I can easily get it tamed down if I address it right away. Even adjust the width of the line for more illusion of depth. Why don't I just use spray fixative? Well, it's inconvenient and toxic, and I prefer working my lines into the paint. Once the medium is dry, the lines are bound to the canvas and you can paint freely over them, layering, wiping, or scraping, with no risk of losing your beautiful look. Whenever you're ready, put a layer of medium over the whole painting to tie it together.